this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial for the accordion pockets, and this is the die set. So you will get a 3 by 5 inches pocket, and you also will have the option to got this 4 by 6 size 4 by 6 inches. So this is the size. And also in the set there is two words, the coupons and the top secret. So these two words is goes with this 3 by 5 inches pocket. So these two pockets are pretty big, and the size is perfect for putting recipes or photos or other things inside. This is a really big size. And here is I made a pocket book, I think. Yeah, I made it like this. So I add 1 2 3 4 5 6. I add 6 pockets inside. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to use chains, I think, to close this part. I will do it later. And this is how it looks like. So I think this is very cute to make, and it's very useful. So you can put many things inside, and you can make it as many as you want, as you just need to measure the width of the book you want to make. Okay, so I'm doing the tutorial for this one, and because this one is much easier than this one, so I do the tutorial for this one, and it's the same for that one. So I cut these pieces out, and so I can make multiple pockets. So if you want to make it a separate pocket, then you need to cut this one, and then cut out this part. So cut out this glue part to make it as the front of the pockets. So I have cut out that part already, and this is part I die cut out. And then for the size, so I have assembled some already, and I will fold this one as an example. So you need to fold along this center folding line, and like this. And then fold back of this folding line and this folding line. Okay, so it's ready now. and I'll do the same for the other half. Okay, now I'm going to stick the sides to the front of the pocket. And then I add glue here. Okay, the first pocket is ready now, and then you just need to, then I decide to use this light blue color and then layer it on this pocket. And for this one, just need to fold as this folding line. So this pocket is ready, and you can attach them to any place you want. So this is a A5 planner. Yeah, this size is a little big to attach, I think, but I think this is perfect if you want to use this pocket here. So you can attach it here, and this size is, I think it's better because this size is too big. But it also depends on the planner you have, and you can also use it on your album. So this is a quite big size to fill in your goodies. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the tutorial I made, and any questions, please leave me in the comment below and I answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.